We are the premier manufacturer of high-quality vent screens for the Harley-Davidson touring motorcycles. While we make Batwing vent screens, our best-selling product is the Triple SPLITSCREENS product. It is a 3-screen high-quality solution. We are not aware of another manufacturer offering a complete 3-screen solution for the Road Glides fairing, which came out in 2015. That fairing, by the way, has 3 unscreened vents which are wonderful for eliminating cockpit turbulence for the rider, but unfortunately they also aim air and bugs and road debris at the driver's upper torso, face, and neck. The primary competitor for us offers only 2 side screens. They are a premium manufacturer of windshields for the Harley touring bikes. They are priced at roughly the same as our complete triple split screen solution, but they're only about half the strength. Because our split screens are only sold online, we save on production costs and pass it on to you. Our product is priced fairly from the get-go, so you don't have to worry about buying today and seeing it's on sale next week. Assuming we've provided you enough information to go ahead with the purchase, press the appropriate Buy Now button. Ride safe.